The door is locked right now. What we need to change the lock on this cabinet is a master key, adjustable wrench, flathead screwdriver, and a hammer. And the parts that we're going to replace are the pin, the cylinder, the washer, and the nut. So to start off, we're going to take the master key, place it in. The cabinet's locked right now. We're going to remove the cylinder, put that aside, and this pin needs to be removed, but it won't come out by itself. You need to take a flathead screwdriver, reach inside the cylinder, and pull this little insert out with the screwdriver, and then this will release the pin from the lock. Once the pin is released, we can take our adjustable wrench and remove the nut that holds the cylinder on. Remove the nut, put that aside. Then there's a little washer here. You can take the hammer, tap out the cylinder, and this is the little insert that goes inside the cylinder. And this is the washer that's attached to the cabinet. So we want to put a new one on.